Hi, hello friends. In this video I'm showing how to save money at petrol bunks. Check these prices of petrol in last few days, increasing very high. To get rid of these prices and save your money up to 7,500 rupees per in a month. We'll see how it works. Open your Paytm application and log in with your credentials with KYC approved account. If you complete Paytm KYC, then only you can receive cashback amount to your account. After login to Paytm application, go to view offers in that select cashback at petrol bunks, and activate the offer by clicking activate offer button. After activating the offer, open offer tab in that select pay now option to scan petrol bunk QR code. After successful completion of every transaction, you will receive 0.75% surcharge of your transaction amount will be waived and it will be credited to your Paytm wallet instantly. Adding to this, you will receive extra cashback to your mobile number as SMS up to 7,500 rupees per. If you complete multiple of 5 transactions under this offer, you will receive 100 rupees per as a reward for participating in the offer. In the starting of this video I mentioned that double benefits for spending money at petrol bunks. Watch how it will be. To add money in Paytm wallet, use your credit card instead of debit card so you can earn reward points to your card that you can redeem it whenever you want. Here you can have a doubt that why can't we use direct credit card instead of Paytm. If you use credit card, they will charge GST 18% plus surcharge up to 3%. Thank you for watching. Do like it and share it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.